In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Aweber subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can wrap things up confidently without surprises. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Aweber. Look for the official site with the Aweber domain and branding, and avoid any misleading ads or third-party pages. Click through to the home page. Once you're on the site, select Sign In. Enter your login details and complete any verification prompts if they appear. After you land on your dashboard, look to the lower left corner. You should see your name or profile icon. Click that, then choose My Account. This takes you to the Account Settings area, where all your subscription controls live. On the left-hand side, find and click Billing. This is where your plan, payment method, invoices, and subscription status are displayed. Take a moment here to glance at your current plan and renewal date so you understand how timing might affect your final charge or access. In the Billing section, locate the Current Plan panel. Within that area, look for the link that says Close My Account. It can be easy to miss, so scan carefully around the plan details. Click that link to begin the cancellation. You'll now move through the on-screen prompts, sometimes called the cancellation wizard. This will guide you step by step and may ask for a reason you're leaving. You might see alternatives, like pausing your account or switching to a different plan. If you're sure you want to cancel, continue past those options. Read each page closely, as some screens outline what happens to your lists, automations, landing pages, and analytics. If there's anything you want to keep, make sure it's saved or exported before you finalize. When you reach the final confirmation screen, confirm the cancellation. You may be asked to check a box or type a confirmation word to proceed. After you confirm, look for an on-screen success message. You should also receive a confirmation email. Keep that for your records. Access typically continues until the end of your current billing period, but policies can vary. So review any notes about remaining time or refunds shown during the process, and that's all it takes. You opened the site, signed in, navigated to My Account, went to Billing, clicked Close My Account, and followed the cancellation wizard to finalize. If anything on your screen looks different, use the same navigation terms and search within Billing for the Close option. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel smoothly and confidently.